Welcome to Lula classes. Let's see the next sum. It's 2 sine pi by 8 into sine 2 pi by 8 into sine 3 pi by 8 into sine 5 pi by 8 into sine 6 pi by 8 into sine 7 pi by 8 is what numerical value? If we closely analyze, here we have a pattern that sum of two non-standard angle is pi. So sum of two angle comes to be pi. Let's mark them. We can clearly see that if I add pi by 8 and 7 pi by 8, I get pi. Again, if I'm going to be adding 2 pi by 8 and 6 pi by 8, I get pi. And now if I will be adding 3 pi by 8 and 5 pi by 8, I get pi. So I will be making a group over here. So this is going to be 2. And we are going to write it as 2 sine. I'll make a group of the 7 pi by 8 sine pi by 8. I want again 2, so I'll write this as 2 sine. I'm writing the larger angle first in the group, so 6 pi by 8 into sine 2 pi by 8 into 2 sine 5 pi by 8 into sine 3 pi by 8. So I hope everybody have understood what I've done. So this is the red part grouping, this is the yellow part grouping, and this is the green part grouping. You must have realized that in the expression there is only 1 2, but I have multiplied it by 4 extra. So to balance it, I'll write upon 4, because this 2 and this 2 were not present in the sum. I have multiplied it extra. The reason is I'm intending to apply a formula, and that formula that I'm intending to apply is written over here. It is 2 sine A sine B, and the formula is cos of A minus B minus of cos A plus B. So I will be applying this formula 3 times in the group that has been prepared, and we will be going further with our work. So let's go and apply the formula. So the first answer will come to be cos A minus B will be 3 pi by 4 minus cos pi. In the second grouping, if I apply the same formula, I will be getting cos pi by 2 minus cos pi. In the third grouping, if I apply the same formula, I will be getting cos pi by 4 minus cos pi, and the whole expression is divided by 4. Now I will take that 1/4 outside, and let's simplify it. Cos 3 pi by 4 is cos 135. The answer is minus 1 by root 2. Cos pi is negative 1, so negative negative becomes positive. Cos 90 is 0. Cos pi is again negative 1, but negative negative will be positive. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and again cos pi is negative 1, so that will become positive 1. What I get is 1/4. I can see a formula: a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus root 2 into 1 minus root 2 is going to be a square minus b square, so it's going to be 1 minus half. If we go further, I will get this as 1/4, and 1 minus half is half, and on solving this I get the answer as 1 by 8. Let's see what the answer is. The answer is 1 by 8. So the answer is B. Thank you.